The Convention on Contracts for the International Sale of Goods is an international agreement governing sale of goods contracts between private businesses in signatory countries. In Zapata Hermanos Sucesores versus Hearthside Baking Company, the Seventh Circuit interpreted the convention and explored domestic law to decide whether attorney's fees are recoverable for breach of contract actions brought under the convention. Zapata Hermanos Sucesores, a Mexican corporation, sold cookie tins to Maurice Lenell Cooky Company, an American wholesale baker. Zapata filed a breach of contract suit under the convention against Lenell in federal district court, alleging that Lenell failed to pay 110 invoices totaling approximately $900,000. Zapata argued that in addition to other damages, the convention allowed the recovery of attorney's fees because such fees constituted losses. At trial, Lenell offered no excuse as to why it failed to pay the majority of the money owed to Zapata. The trial court found in favor of Zapata on 93 invoices, awarding compensatory damages plus prejudgment interest. The court also awarded Zapata $550,000 in attorney's fees, finding such an award appropriate under the convention and also under the court's inherent authority to punish the conduct of litigation in bad faith. Lenell appealed to the Seventh Circuit.